Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome to a day in the life of a mom of 3 kids. Single mom of 3. My name is Dominique, for those who do not know me. Here on my channel, I vlog about motherhood, lifestyle, things of that nature. Say hi, guys. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, guys.
No.
What are we making? Here.
Okay.
Put it inside.
Oh, not yet. Not yet. Not yet.
Okay.
Okay. Happy.
Good job. I think we need más agua. Okay.
Okay.
Close it. Close this. Okay. Good job. You're moving too fast. How does it taste? Is it good?
No.
No. You eating it. About to put in the microwave some pancakes. These pancakes are made with oatmeal. They're not like, they're gluten-free, and they're made with, and they're vegan. So how to make it is, you have an app, like you use banana, like these are the ingredients: banana, oats that are gluten-free, and sprouted oats. We have I put maple syrup in it, baking powder, and almond milk, or any kind of plant-based milk of your choice. And yeah, so that's what I'm gonna have, and I think I'm gonna have it with some strawberries. And I think I'm gonna also make myself a green smoothie so that I can get in my greens for today, and some protein as well, because it has protein. So yeah, so I'm gonna put this in the microwave. They're all done. Alright, so guys, I just kind of want to do a chit chat. I haven't chatted with you guys in a while. I haven't been vlogging in a long time. I've just been so busy, and I just been so busy, and honestly I haven't made time to vlog, and I haven't made time to edit my videos. Like, I have videos recorded, but I haven't, you know, made time for it. But, you know, yeah. So I just wanted to talk, like, catch up, like, do a like update. So I started my own cleaning business, but sadly my car is broken down. So, and I went to clean today. A friend of mine let me borrow their car, but yeah, I don't really like bothering people. So I think today will be like the last day I actually let them take me to work and stuff like that. So I guess now my cleaning business is on a halt right now, sadly. And I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna just go back to work. Like, I'm gonna find a normal job, which I'm very sad about. Honestly, I've been praying and asking God for a miracle, but I just gotta do what's best right now. And I got 3 kids to take care of. I'm an adult, so I have to just, you know, like, life goes on. Like, has its ups and its downs, and God works everything together for our good. So that's what keeps me motivated. And I went to work already. It is currently 8:50, and I went to work at 5:30. And also, you know, I just feel bad. Like, I wake up my kids just so that I can get to work, and that's like, I mean, I know I'm doing something for them so that we can all have a roof over our head, but I just feel like, and then also I've been getting my daughter late to school these last couple of days because of this change. But honestly, I feel very down about it. I feel very upset that, like, you know, I'm about to be 30. Like, my birthday's coming up like next week, and it's just like, I feel kind of bad. So yeah, I feel super duper bad, but anyways, life goes on.
Mommy, I see.
See what?
See.
So let's make our green smoothie.
Hey.
So I use coconut water. Baby spinach. Tropical fruit smoothie. And this is the blend I use from Whole Foods. And it has banana in it. And you know, bananas are really good for making your smoothies super duper sweet. So that's what I love about it. And I am gonna add some moringa powder. I'm just gonna eyeball that. Chia seeds. Hemp seeds. And that's my smoothie, my green little smoothie for today. So let's taste our smoothie. So good. My son wants some too. Taste it on the camera. What do you think? He loves smoothies. When I was pregnant with him, I used to have smoothies a lot. So he likes them. Yummy. And let's.
Yummy.
I know this is good, but I just wanted to. So good. Never know eating healthy could be so good. What? Somewhat. Smoothie?
No.
So I'm gonna finish this off camera, and I'll be back with you guys later. I'm finished with breakfast. Breakfast was so delicious. Now I'm going to tidy up a bit. So I'm going to do a little montage, and you guys can watch me while I clean up a little bit. So let's cleaning. Yeah. Okay guys, so I got dressed. That's what I'm wearing. So feeling kind of sad at the moment. I just told my job, not my job, but the man who hired me to clean for him, that I have a contract with, that I can't do the contract anymore. And I feel super sad. Decided to come outside and yeah. Oh no, go. You can't do that. He's throwing rocks at people's cars. Say hi, Gloria.
No touching. No touching. And you want to touch me? Chase me. I'm already out of breath.
walking home. I picked up my daughter from school.
Yeah. Let them look at me. Look, my mom this way, and my mom did this on the back. So I like it. And she got the braids with white hair and then more white hair.
She keeps telling me how she wants me to do her hair.
Yeah, and I like it. Bye, see you later.
Alright, so I have this thought and I just wanted to share.
And I don't show them something again.
No. Stop
And
blocking me from sharing my
I
thoughts.
asked my mom to get makeup.
So, not sure if you guys can hear me, but I wanted to share this thought. Sometimes in life you go through different struggles and trials and tribulations, and sometimes you just feel like, God, where are you, you know? And like, why are you letting me go through this and stuff like that? No, you don't need to switch anything on.
Mom, can I see you, please? Hey! No! Hey! Mom!
Okay, that's enough.